I'm going to compare these two digital watches. This one, the Skmei 1628 to the left, and the Casio DW5600 to the right. Both the Skmei and the Casio are delivered in tin cans. This Casio DW5600 is actually my favorite watch. I bought it 1 year ago and I wear it every day. Why do I like it? Well, it's not elegant and it's not a dress watch, but it's light, it's reliable and durable, and beyond that, it's also 200 meters water resistant, which means that I can take a shower or even swim while wearing this watch. That doesn't necessarily mean that I usually do that, but if I have to, I can do it. This watch doesn't get scratched easily, but if it gets scratches, I can replace the bezel. The Skmei 1628 sure looks similar to the Casio DW5600. That's because it's a so-called homage watch, or dare I say a cheap copy. The Skmei is the cheaper watch. I paid $12.33 for it on AliExpress. When I bought my Casio DW5600 a year ago, I paid $67.25 for it on Amazon. Today, the same watch costs $82.60, so I can buy 6 of these Skmei watches for the price of one Casio DW5600. Let's check out the bracelets of these watches. This is the Skmei bracelet, and actually I have installed the AliExpress Combi bracelet on my Casio. So here's the original Casio bracelet, rubber bracelet. The Skmei bracelet, it looks almost exactly like the Casio bracelet. But the Skmei bracelet is more flexible. The Casio bracelet, on the other hand, feels like it's going to last longer. And it has a better design, especially the buckle looks better on the Casio. Here's the Casio buckle, here's the Skmei buckle. The inscriptions on the bezel of the Skmei say sports watch and water resist. Let's put on some light here. You can see here it says sport watch and water resist. But the letters are not colored, so the text is hardly visible. The bezel on the Casio is marked with the words protection and G-Shock. The letters are colored in white. The Casio is quite cluttered with text, so I actually prefer the Skmei regarding the appearance of the bezel. The Casio has mineral glass display, while the Skmei has some kind of cheaper and less durable acrylic plastic. But when I press with my thumbs on the screens of both watches, I can't feel any difference. Both screens are hard. But as you can see, the digits on the Casio are clearer and easier to read. The Casio is 200 meters water resistant, so you can swim and dive with it. The Skmei is only 50 meters water resistant, so it can take no more than a shower. The buttons on the Skmei are easy to press. The Casio has more resistance in the buttons. They are harder to press. What about the functions? Actually, the Skmei has one more function than the Casio. Let's press the mode button. Here's the alarm. I press again. Here's the dual time function, which the Casio lacks. Is the timer. Press again is the timer on the Skmei. There's of course the stopwatch. What watch would you choose? The Skmei is a bargain compared to the Casio. But one thing is really annoying with the Skmei, and it's this flashing cross, which has no purpose at all. It's very disturbing. I think that Skmei wanted to imitate the flash alert symbol on the Casio. But this symbol can be deactivated on the Casio, which is not possible on the Skmei as far as I know. So my choice is the Casio. Even if it's more expensive. But if the Skmei didn't have the flashing cross, I would probably choose the Skmei instead of the Casio because it's cheaper.